Man, apparently right now we're really getting lucky. On the way up here, the radio was talking about how the Bay Area was going to have thunderstorms today. And as of right now, we have blue sky and the sun is shining. So we're really going to enjoy it. We're pulling up to the G shop for their swap meet, and we're going to check it out. So far, it looks like there's a great turnout. So we're going to hop out of the truck here, we're going to see who all showed up, and we're going to see what they have for sale here. So we're really excited to take a look. And you're not going to want to miss that. So stay tuned. Man, there's not even parking. No parking. Looks like the rocks are already cranking. Everyone's out having fun. Hopefully there's a lot of good stuff for sale. Kids are out.
What's up?
What's happening, man? How are you?
Pretty good. How are you?
Good to see you. There's a lot of people that don't usually show their face anymore. Yeah, you know you're being talked about. Good to see you, brother. All right, what do we have today? A lot of cool bent metal stuff.
Awesome! Yeah! How cool. Costco has the best.
A lot of good stuff. Got all the deals over here?
Yeah.
What up, man?
All the good deals. How you doing?
Doing good. How are you?
Doing well,
You even
thank
got
you.
short course stuff.
You name it, we got it.
It's part of the problem with the hobby, right?
Yeah. Can't just have one.
No way. That's cool.
ERD carbon all comped out.
Yeah, that's pretty neat. Blackfoot. This was my very first way back in the day.
Oh yeah? Right on.
Took a long time to build that kit. I was so young. It took forever. So many
yeah.
small bolts and screws. It's chopped. It is chopped.
That's up to you. I mean, usually what I'll do is I'll draw them up. What's up, Brian? Making some deals over here.
Getting the deals, huh? What's up, brother? Good to see you.
I'll just do it now. Okay. No problem.
Hold on, 55,000. Hold on.
55,000. I'm retiring, guys. I just sold a gold set of sliders.
Gold set of sliders. That'll be the first I ever seen come out of here.
Is it that one still?
Yeah. Right. How we doing? Great.
Whoa, 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 whoa. How are you?
Oh, doing good.
Good to
Doing
see
a long
you.
time no see you.
I know. Where you been hiding? I'm around. I've been here. You haven't been here.
I've been at Bell, you know, and
What up, Brian?
Whoa! Where have you been hiding?
I've been here all this time. I've been here.
Good
you
to
know?
see you, brother.
Yeah, good to see you too.
Where's your table? Right here?
Yeah, Mr. Greg, what's happening?
Oh, I should be able to tell by the tent. That should be my giveaway. that thing? That's got all the parts.
Yeah, that's what just told Jason. I said basically that's stage, you know, the stage before they get made.
Let's see, what else do we got here? We got a whole bunch of stuff.
I do. How you doing this morning?
I'm good, man. Can't complain, right? We're here.
That's right.
Alright. We're doing hobby stuff.
Yeah, could be a lot worse. Nice little kit bag. Alright, we'll head over this side, see who all is here. Some of the normal swap meet guys are here, I see. Check it out. See what else we can find. We'll start down here, then we'll go to the busy side.
You can make them with this too, can't you? They'll just dyno them. Too bad we went back in
Nitro.
They can be sold already, huh? Oh, it's the other chassis was on that too, I don't know.
Oh, that one. Oh, yeah.
There we go, some of the big boy stuff.
Yeah.
Looks brand new, looks like you never drove it.
One time. It is brand new.
What, too big for you?
No, I have the X-Max. So.
Alright. What's happening, guys?
What's going on?
Not much.
Making the sales today?
Yeah, Mr. Ryan.
We're trying to.
It was good earlier.
Okay.
That's fine.
It'll heat back up, I'm sure. That's pretty cool. Winnebago everyone wants.
Just got this on.
I've been there.
Man, why is it so busy over here? Oh, that's why. That's why.
Come and get him.
I see some of the old homie stuff here.
That's right.
Mr. Lance.
Yes, sir.
What'd you do? You bought a lot from him?
Have to. Had to. The guy was moving, he couldn't take it with him.
He was definitely moving.
Everything
He just
went
left.
Yeah.
You look.
Want something bigger?
Bump your car over here so you're not blocking guys trying to get in. Look.
Oh, you got some big boy stuff too. Sheesh, look at that thing. What the heck is that, Victor? All right. That's a lot of the tables. We found more of the homies. Oh yeah, he's not one of the homies.
Nope. Nope, no homies here.
All right, let's see. Let's do a quick spin through the shop for everyone. We'll walk past Mike here. Give Mike a quick shout. Is this door locked because of Buddy? Hey, Buddy. All right, we're in the shop with the dog. take a quick look through here. All the tires, some gates, some chassis, a dog crying. Hey buddy, what's up? It's the G-Dog, it's the G-Dog. We got chassis, we got Gen Ace batteries, we got built chassis, and of course we got rig racks with all the rigs. All right, we'll leave you alone, buddy. We'll head out to the rocks, see what's happening out here. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the content. Please remember to like and subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss out, and we'll see you all next time.